Reel number 1, the locking mechanism for the handle broke. Reel number 2, the handle just broke off. Reel number 3, the wooden knob just fell out. All within the first 10 minutes of use. None of them got more than 10 minutes. And it was just amazing to see the poor craftsmanship that was put into these handles. The reviews that say they're outstanding, I just don't see it. Very poorly manufactured. A complete knockoff of a Daiwa reel, which you don't pay close attention like I did. I actually called Daiwa to ask them about what happened with these reels, and then I looked closer at the reel and realized it was not a Daiwa, it's a Dawa, and that's exactly what it is, a duh.